Welcome learners and math lovers in the series of videos on Python programming, wherein we are writing the Python programs for the various matrix operations. In this videos, we are looking about the elementary row operations, which we have divided into three parts. The first part we have already seen in the previous video. In this video, we will talk about the interchange of any two rows. Okay, so we have a matrix A equals to say A equals to, let us take again 3 by 3 matrix, say A11, A12, A2, A13, A21, A22 and A23. Let us take third to be A31, A32 and A33. In the previous video we have seen how to multiply a particular row by a scalar. Now what we want is we want to interchange them. So if we are interchanging ith row with jth row, then the position of ith row will be taken up by jth row and the position of jth row will be taken up by ith row. Now suppose in this case we want to interchange say first row and third row. So in that case that matrix B will be equals to, of course that will not be equals to A, may be equal but need not be equals to A, that I should say. So the first row goes to third row. So this becomes A11, A12, A13. Third row which was there in the original becomes the first row. So it becomes A31, A32 and A33. And in this operation we are not doing anything about the second row. So all the elements of the second row will be as it is. So A21, A22 and A2. So from this matrix we obtained this matrix B, wherein the third row became the first row and the first row becomes the third row and the second row is as it is. So for this we need to write the Python program wherein this operation has to be executed. So let's go for the programming. So let us write a comment interchange, and again if you see there are the properties of determinants which will be come into picture by using these elementary operations. Okay, so interchange of rows, let us define first. Now to interchange two rows we need a matrix, we need the ith row and we need the jth row. Okay, let us define. Let us write change. We need matrix A, we need first row, let us take that to be A, and we need the second row, let us take that to be B, close the bracket. Correct. So okay, and how we will do that? Let us take matrix A first. X is equals to matrix X for X. All this explanation is already given in the previous videos. Let's go back and check. So X for X in row and for row in A. So close the brackets. It's over. A simple command what we have to give is we will write X bracket A comma X bracket B. Sorry, we need to write capital X bracket A comma capital X bracket B equals to interchanges. So capital X bracket B comma capital X bracket B. With this simple command we will interchange. And after doing this, let us return X, whatever matrix we have. Okay, let's write a matrix A here first. So let us A equals to, let us take a simple matrix, say a 2 by 2. Let us take identity matrix 1 0 and 0 1. And for this let us take a command print. Of course we have only two elements here, so let us take matrix A and we will make say 0th row and first row interchange. Let us first save this in our document files, Python is 13. Interchange, that is right, interchange. Okay, save. Okay, so this is 1 0 0 1, and again this 0 1 is coming extra, so we might have done some errors here. Let's go back and check what error we have done. A simple error, we have written A01. So what this print command will do, it will take A, it will and it will affect this 0 and 1 there. But actually what we wanted is this change, change, change A0 and 1. Let's put the bracket first. Okay, and again we'll print matrix A. Print A. And let's see what it is. First, your matrix was 1 0 0 1. This was the first row and this is the second row. We have interchanged the first row and second row, so the second row becomes the first row and the first row becomes the second row. Let's write this first. Let's go like this. The matrix is E and the matrix after operation, let us write this now. This will be a much cool one. Okay, sorry, I need to put the commas. Comma here and one more comma here. The matrix is 1 0 0 1. The matrix after operation is the second row becomes the first row and the first row becomes the second row. Okay. Let us change our matrix A to say B. I'll show you how we will get the errors. Let us take 3 by 3 matrix. 4, 5. Okay. We will get the error. See. There is error because we have given matrix A here. We have taken the matrix B here. But while writing the commands, we have taken this A. So that was the error, simple error. So make this B and make this B. Now here again what we did is we have interchanged the first and the second row. Execute. So this was our second row, it became first row and the first row became the second row. Let us take 3 by 3. Let's take 3 by 3. 0. Let us take 0 row. Right? And we will interchange the first and the third row. Let us execute again. List index out of range. So 1, 2 and 3. Let's interchange. 3 is not there because third row becomes the first and second. So 0 1 3, 0 1 2. So third means 2 should be, right? 3 means it is 4 in Python. So if you see, this is our matrix whose first row was 1 0 4 and the last row was 0 0 0. After the operation, this 0 0 row becomes the first row and 1 0 4 row becomes the third row. And of course, we are not doing anything about the second row. Let us interchange first and the second one. Interchange first and second one. So if you see the first row as it is, the second row became the third row and the third row became the second row. So this is all about the Python programming, wherein we have written a simple program, just a simple code for interchange of any two rows. And in the previous video, we have seen how to multiply a particular row by a scalar. By using these two operations, we will define the third program wherein we will write where we are taking a particular ith row and you are adding the ith row with some scalar multiple of the jth row. So that program will be the third part of this series. So stay tuned and see the third part of this video.